Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'm just going to teach you guys how to play the chords for this song. This song was requested. This is Enemy by Muscadine Bloodline. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and please hit like and subscribe. So let's get into it. You're going to put a capo on the first fret, and it's in standard tuning, okay? So you're going to use 4 chords for this song. I'm going to show you the order that they go in. I don't know if I'm going to show you a couple different ways to strum it that are going to be easier. And there is a little bit of, I'm not going to show you exactly how it's picked. I'm going to show you a way that sounds pretty good with it. I don't know if it's exactly right though, okay? So you're going to start with A minor, E minor, F, C, okay? So that's going to be for part of it. You're not going to, that's for the verse. That's not how you're going to do the chorus. So the intro though is going to be A minor, E minor, F, C. Then you do A minor, E minor, F. You're going to stay on F. Okay, so that's how you're going to actually strum it too. You're going to do down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Okay, so that's how you're going to strum the intro. And I think that's actually how you strum the chorus too, but stick with me and I'll show you how to do the bridge and everything. And one way you can do it after you do that intro, okay? So after you do that, you can palm mute it. Now you don't have to, but you can use this part of your hand, put it right down here and palm mute, right in front of the white part. And you're gonna just hit the bass notes. So you can just do, so you could do the exact way that you were doing it, the strumming it before, just down, 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 down. So you could just do that, or you could just do straight. If the rhythm is hard for you to sing and play at the same time, you could just do single strum, like regular down, 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 down. Okay. So, or if you really want to play it, like try and pick it. So you can just do the chords, all right, but you're just going to do basically A, D, G. So you can do A, D, G, A, D, G, okay, A, D, G, A, D, G. So you're just going to keep doing those strings, A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G. It's not like exactly right, at least I don't think it is, but it's an easy way for you guys to do this because it's mostly for beginners, okay? So then when you go to the verse, you're gonna do, you could even also do single strums if you want, but whatever you do, make sure it's the verse is softer sounding than the rest of it, okay? So you're gonna do A minor on every night I lie awake. Awake is E minor, awake. I know something is gonna be F, something needs to change. Change is C, change. Making is A minor. Making all the same mistakes. Mistakes is E minor, mistakes. It's like regret. Regret is F. Regret is my middle name. Whether I'm up is A minor, up. Whether I'm down, it's all on me. Me is F, me, to turn it around. Okay, so down is E minor, F is we play that on me, and to turn it around is C. I could go left, so left is A minor, left. I could go right. Now, obviously, I'm not singing it right, but I could go right, E minor, but ain't no walking. Walking is F, walking away from this fight. You're just gonna stay on F for that, okay? And you do C. My only enemy. So enemy is F, enemy is me. And right after me, you do A minor, and you do F. So in the verses, you were doing A minor, E minor, F, C, A minor, E minor, F. Now for the chorus, you're gonna do C, you're gonna do C, F, A minor, F. Now you're gonna repeat that, and you do that a second time, but then after that you're just gonna do C, F, A minor, F. But you're gonna do it play it a little bit slower, so I'll show you. So you do my only enemy is me, A minor, F, and you got C coming up here. I'm up against something is F. Something I can't be. A minor, F. Well, I'm good as C. Good at putting on a show. Show is F, show. But in my mind is A minor. Mind, it ain't how it goes. So goes is F, goes. And you see, my only enemy. Enemy is F. Enemy is me. So then you do A minor, F. Okay, so then you can do the second verse the same way you did the first one, or you can change it up with those different ways I showed you, because if you were palm muting the first one, you could be picking it this time. Okay, so you could do any of those options. Then you do the second chorus, and then after the second chorus, you're actually just going to keep playing. You're going to keep playing C, F, A minor, F. Okay, you're going to keep playing that over and over. So you're going to do, my only enemy is me. Okay, then you're going to do, so at this part you can kind of do whatever you want. He just kind of goes a little bit crazy on it, but I think if you just keep playing that down, 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 so you can do down, 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 up, 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 down, down. So then when you get to the actual part you sing for that, you just do single strums. My only enemy is me. My only enemy is me. And then you're going to go into the chorus and do, my only enemy is me. Okay, you're going to go through that last chorus. Then I would just end the song on a C. Anyway, that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. See me next time.